Hi, this is Jimit Shah and welcome to the Gyms Automation. So today we'll see practical of count up instruction. In previous class we have already understood that how you can execute count up, what is count up, what are the applications. But if you want to see in a real industry, if you want to see on the control panel, then let me show you. Imagine that you have a conveyor, okay, and some products are passing on the conveyor like this, okay, or some products are passing on the conveyor like this, okay. So uh, if five products passed, it should give a green indication, okay. So suppose you have a conveyor, okay, this is my conveyor, and uh, this is my box. So I have total five box, 1 2 3 4 and 5, okay, and this conveyor is moving like this. So I have my proximity sensor connected over here, which is counting my number of boxes, how many boxes are passed, okay. So this is our proximity sensor, okay. I have made a program that let me show you a program over here. This proximity sensor, okay, so here this is the proximity sensor, okay. Once uh, five products are passed, I have kept five in my preset value, then my green indication should turn on, right? Once when this will pass, okay, so once this will pass, this proximity will give you 1 cents, then another one will pass, then proximity will give you 2, something like, right? So it will sense and it will give an instruction to your count up instruction. So here we have made a program that proximity is giving a uh, output to the out count instruction. So every time on each sense my one count will be increased, right? So let's download this program, going to communication, system communication, and I'm downloading this program to my physical PLC, okay. Yes, don't apply, okay. Yes, yes, right. Now I'm online with my physical PLC. So what I'll do, I'll see, I don't have conveyor as of now, but what we can do, we can imagine this situation, right? So one product, my conveyor is running and one product is passing. So once this is through my proximity, okay, what will happen, this will sense, right? So let's check in our software as well, okay. So let me turn this. I'm sensing this, okay. I'm sensing this, can you see it is on, and my accumulated value becomes 1, right? It is counted by 1, can you see my accumulated is 1 now, okay. So I'm removing my hand from my proximity now. So one product is passed, it is considered that your one product is passed. Now my proximity is off, okay. So now this box is passed, now another one will come and it will pass through this proxy sensor, okay. So again the same way, that proxy will be taken over in the picture. So I'm sensing this is the sense, and can you see now it is accumulated value is showing you 2 value, right? So I'm removing this proxy, so my second box is passed. Then for the third time my box is coming, so third value, okay. So my proximity value is counted, this accumulated value is counted 3. I'm removing this hand, okay. So now my accumulated value is 3. So I'm touching that proximity sensor once again. So now it is 4, can you see this has counted as a 4. Still my green LED light is not on, right? This green LED light is not on. What is our program? If this something will pass for the 5 times through this, then only this will turn on. So now let's turn on this proximity sensor for the last time, okay. So I'm turning on, I'm touching the proximity sensor, so it is showing you green light over here as well, and here as well, right, on the output number 2, right? So that means this is how you can use this count up instruction in your conveyor or wherever in the industrial application, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. This is all from Jim's Automation.